Hi guys, welcome back. And today we are going to discuss about a new topic that is locators. Okay. In my previous video, how to record the session we are seeing, right? At the same time, we are not able to run our script. That also will fix in a couple of moments. Okay. In this locator concept, before closing, I close that as well because it is taken as a inbuilt of locators. Okay. And that when I'm covering for inbuilt locator, that moment will close this particular concept as well. Okay. Before that, what is a locator? To identify a specific element, a specific element in a web page. Okay. And I'm going to take for google.com. Okay. In this particular page, this is the particular text box, and this is my buttons. Okay. And this is my links. Okay. We need to identify what exactly this particular. If you go on inspecting for any inspector, okay, here we can able say this is a text area. Okay, in this text area there are so many attributes we can choose any attribute and we can able to identify that specific text box and then we can able to use it. Okay, every field or every text box or button or something have some attributes. By using that attributes we can able to identify and we can able to fill or click or any element in that particular section. Okay, in case if you take this element in this particular position and if you are searching for the next page, it won't be, and that moment we can able to get some errors like a element not visible exception. Like that we can able to get some exceptions. And also sometimes the page is loaded, but even after loading also that element is not visible, that moment also we can able to get the same kind of error. Then how to do this kind of operations, how we can able to do it, right? The simple way we are going to do to identify this one. Okay, how many ways we can able to identify locator? There are two ways. One is user defined locators and another one is inbuilt 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 locators. Okay, inbuilt locators. Two things. Okay, what is user defined locators and what is the inbuilt of locators? User defined locators is nothing but we can able to use for XPath or CSS selector. Okay, or CSS selector. By using these two we can able to define our locators. Or inbuilt of Playwright we have some set of locators. Okay, some set of locators. By using that also we can able to take it. If you see here, if I enter here, await a page dot, if I click for get, there are set of things. One is get attribute and get by alternate text, get by label, get by placeholder, and get by role and test ID, text, title. Okay, up to title we can able to use. Okay, remaining things, these two we are not going to use. Okay, these are the inbuilt locators. Okay, or you can able to use directly user defined by using for locator, and then you can specify for which kind of locator like XPath or CSS selector, anything you can able to use here, and you can able to fill that particular thing. See, like this you can able to write it. Okay, then how you can able to write this kind of things for that particular location. Okay, we can create for any kind of locator. Okay, now I'm going to use for here a test and then using for public async a task and tc02 locators. Okay, in this locators we are going to specify links and we are going to take the browser up to here. Okay, and we are going to here. And then we are going to use for one. First one is XPath creation of the locator. First topic we are going to covering for user defined locator. Okay. Await a page dot locator. You can see anything is there? No. We can able to use for locator. In this locator, what we can able to for the user defined locator, we can see so many things are presented, and here is the ID it is presented, their name and area label, and those things are presented. We can able to use any of them and we can able to identify. Okay. Now I'm going to take the location. Okay. And here we need to create the XPath. We need to use a two forward slash and text area, and then we can able to specify, copy this one and this and use it. See, now we are able to hit for one specific one. Okay, when it is presented, we can able to identify. Right now, taking this one and coming back to here, and we can able to specify my locators, and then you can use for fill, sync, and then specify for any name, location. Okay, now you can see this way I can able to write for locator. And now if I'm going and run this specific test case, whether we can able to run or not. The location is the center and my test result passed. Okay, one is XPath creation and another one selector or CSS selector. Then how you can able to fill it, CSS selector. Okay, I'm copying this again and I'm pasting down. See, CSS selector is nothing but you can able to use for any kind of things like ID. We can able to make it for hash and sorry hash and ID value. Then one of one, and you can able to specify copying here and coming back to here. Directly I'm going to pass for here. Okay. Now again I'm running for the specific one for CSS selector and whether we are able to pass our test case or not. See, it is able to pass it. Right? We are able to pass CSS selector as well. How many ways you can able to even following sibling and preceding sibling and nth child element, any kind of path you can able to. If you want to provide to identify any locator, then you need to use for this is the locator. Okay. In this locator, you can able to try. Okay. And even see fill option it is present here, right? If you mouse over in the locator, it will take a string selector and the place locator option is a null. Okay. If you see some of the things returning the element locator that can be used to perform the action in a page or a frame to resolving the element immediately before the performing the actions. It will perform in the DOM section, and if you click this particular learning objects, it will provide for guidelines of this one, and also you can able to see locating elementor also we can able to do everything. They are provided for some documentation as well. If you want inbuilt, you can able to use it. If you want, if you don't want to do like this, and you can able to find by text, and those are the things it will be present. Everything they are provided here, locator related stuff. Okay, everything you can able to learn from here. If there is anything issue with you, like if you are facing something issue, then comment on my video section. I'll try to help you on that. Okay. And next video session time, we'll go on learn on this inbuilt of locators, how we can able to get role and label and placeholder text, alternative text. These are the things how you can able to use those things also we can able to learn from that. Okay. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.